In this video, we'll learn the vocabulary from Matthew 7:16 through 20. Devotion. Action. Amen. Analyze. Like looking at something with your eyes and kind of going over it. Analyze. Ask. Like asking a question to God. Ask. Bad. With your palm down. Bad. Can. Can't. To chop with an axe. And then have the tree branch fall off. Clear. Or clarity. Concept. You have like the understanding of the concept. To condemn is like drawing an X on your hand. Condemn. Like a cross to your heart, like accepting Jesus in your heart, having a relationship with God. Decide. Disease. English. Exact. Finish. That can also be used for like stop it or cut it out. Follow. Fruit. To gather, like taking a bunch of something and pulling it all together, gathering it together. Gather. Go. Good. With your palm facing up. Good. Grapes, like a bunch of grapes. Greek, or you'll see Greek as well. Greek. Grow, like coming like a flower coming out of the ground. Grow. Have. Healthy or well. The lexicalized hell, Hell, going down at an angle. To help me, like I'm asking God to help me. Honest or truth or true, honest. How. If or suppose. Important. To inform or to let you know. Jesus. To judge. To know something. You can also sign up here, know or I know. Like. With just your middle finger and your thumb. Like. To look at a person, kind of take your eyes and look them up and down. To match or fit together, like what you're saying and what you're doing. Do they match? Do they mesh together? Do they fit? Me or I, with just your index finger. Me or I. Mean, or what does it mean? What is the meaning? Myself. No. Not. Should. Other. A passage. This could be like a paragraph or a portion of something. A paragraph. Passage. People, with your P's going forward, kind of with your pointer finger facing up. People. Perfect, or like great. Person, can also be initialized with your P's. Person. A plant. Many times that's twice. Like growing is one long continuous movement, whereas plant, twice. Nouns usually go twice. To produce something, or like what's coming out of it. Quote. To recognize. Having a relationship with God. So relationship to God. Same. This can also be done with two hands. Same. To say. Oh, would you say? Or he said. We learned analyze, so to self-analyze. Should. Similar. This is the sign for same, but I can inflect my face like, well, it's kind of like that. So a little bit the same. Similar. To study, or to study over and over and over. Study. Suppose or if. There or there. Themselves or themselves. To think, or you can do think about it, or like ponder it or think it over, kind of like the little wheels are turning in your mind. Think about it. I described a thorn, like a pointy edge to it. So you have like the point of the thorn, and then the edge of it is sharp. So it's like pointy, like sharp. To throw, like toss something away, throw it out. You can also throw it out this way. It's kind of like remove or get rid of, throw out. You could go through and throw a bunch of things out, or just, throw one thing out. Today, twice, today. Tree. To warn, or to let you know, to be aware, warn, I'm warning you. What do you do? So this is the lexicalized D-O. What are you doing? What do you want to do? Match. What? Going inward, and the shape stays the same, like a 5 cloth. What? Which? Who? Why? Will? Word? Wrong? Yes? You? And yourself.